Okay, try going start, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
Start. Start.
It's your question, come on. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Up ignition the on. Okay. Hyundai. Okay guys, welcome back to another edition. Today we have a Hyundai Ascent which came to our garage, got a problem. The problem we have here is that it lacks power. I'm gonna still explain this in another video again, but this one I'm gonna be dealing specifically with this crank no start. And I will say this is a typical crank no spark. I don't mean no start. It's still the same thing as crank no start because it cranks but it doesn't start. So heads up guys, what should you do in this kind of situation? This is kind of a little bit weird because here what we're testing right now, which is not going in front of the camera, is we are checking the injector ports, and after the injector ports we're checking the fuses. So I implore you to do the same. So we're checking the injector ports, checking the fuse, then checking all the other signals which you're supposed to be getting, and there are a lot of them which you're going to be doing on this very video here. Like when a car crank and it doesn't start, what you look out for is spark, fuel, compression, and the car should be able to start. So we also want to check if on the dashboard that the immobilizer or anti-theft system is not flashing. So there is no any anti-theft flashing on the dashboard on the cluster gauge, so that is confirmed. So we're moving further. Now the next thing which we are gonna check, I will also want you to check in this kind of situation here is to check the connection, because this very engine here was completely disassembled. I'm gonna show you guys. It was disassembled because of lack of power, and after when we found the problem, then they assembled it back and installed it. Now the car cranks and will not start. So but however, we did actually solve the other problem, why it lacks power upon acceleration. However, that's what I'm saying. I'm going to explain in another video here, but this is a different thing. So in this very one here, when you have done checking all your fuses on this very car, we check that the fuses are intact. So what we're going to be going into checking is doing a computer simulation and seeing what works and what doesn't work, and that's going to be meaning we're going to be performing some live stream checkups of the PDIs and see what is wrong, and see if the crankshaft position sensor is bringing up signal as it's supposed to be. That's what we're going to be looking at on the live stream data. So you need to have your computer on, I mean your scanner on, your scan tool on when you have a crank no start, because if you end up thinking you want to replace this, it's gonna shock you. This very video is gonna shock you because it's never gonna be what you actually expected, because this is a rare case. We're not talking about no injector ports. There is injector ports, but there is simply no spark to ignite the air fuel mixture. So which means the computer is playing a trick on us because of one or two more information which is getting, which is not in conformity with what the manufacturer. On the live stream data, let's see the live stream data. Let's see the live stream data. Let's see the live stream data. Wanna see if suppose the okay. Try to start them. Wait. Okay. Okay. The crankshaft is bringing signal, but there is no spark. No spark. So this is crank no spark. I was told it has injector pulse, but no spark. So what could be? Maybe just like I found the program, want to go ahead and scan, automatic scan, so we can know. Oh, now the Kampona the onion with the motor.
See that this in a way.
Okay. How much you drop them?
I'm more careful.
No. I'll manage.
Okay, we're here now.
Give talk.
My name is Amit. Give me the. Huh? If you dirty, I will pay me. Now they talk. If you dirty, I will pay me.
When you go see any sign of key inside. Huh? A flash or a key, a flash or. When you check, go fuse the her. Yeah, check your fuse. So let me go ahead and play it and let's see what may be. Okay, I think that's just an error code. It just cleared right there. So the ECM has currently no any issue. And it should be able to start. Okay. For ignition, they on. Okay. So plug the ignition on. 2011. System selection, engine electronic, control module, DTC. Wow, this is funny. Evaporative mission purge active. Would evaporative mission purge cause the car not to start? Why the hell would? Okay, what I'll find out on the code here is having a evaporative mission issue. Okay, so the valve. Okay guys, the problem has just been spotted. It is actually this error code you're seeing right here on the screen that made the car to crank and no spark. So if you find this code in your Hyundai and it will not start up, then go ahead and check the wiring harness for the evaporative mission sockets, and that should be solved. Bye for now.